Hello, everyone. Good evening. My name is Anchal Jhunjhunwala. I'm the founder and CEO of EduBates Institute of Learning. And every Saturday, 8 p.m., we come live on YouTube to help you as a CA student crack that CA exams. और अब तो और ज़्यादा relevant है guys because exams के dates announce हो चुके हैं एंड आप लोगों के पास क्लोज टू 1 मंथ है, 1 मंथ से थोड़ा ज्यादा है that you can prepare yourself for the CA examinations. So yes, today we are going to discuss all about strategic management paper. तो अगर आप CA इंटर के स्टूडेंट हो या CA इंटर के किसी स्टूडेंट को जानते हो तो make sure that you're sharing this YouTube link with those students because they will know all the strategies कि CA इंटरमीडिएट का स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट का पेपर कैसे क्रैक किया जाए. आज का टॉपिक यही है. वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट जो कि एक बहुत ही अंडरडॉग टाइप पेपर है. आई फील दैट इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल but it does not get the credit that it deserves because it is one of the finest papers, one of the most practical in the true sense, guys. और आज इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए आई हैव एन अमेजिंग एक्सपर्ट हु इज द फेवरेट अमंगस्ट स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने भी उनके क्लासेस में बैठ के पढ़ाई की है. His classrooms and our team meetings are equally the same. Okay, we just roll over the floor laughing. He is super fun. He dives deep into the concepts of strategic management, and he is going to be with us shortly to help you crack the CA exam with the help of this underdog paper, strategic management. So, अगर अभी तक नहीं किया है तो go right there, subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe to EduBeats Institute of Learning channel. You will find many more videos on other topics as well, which we keep doing, and hit the notification bell icon so that you are notified every time we come online. Now, without any further ado, let me introduce to the virtual stage our expert for today on strategic management, students' ke favorite, Tejas Bhatt sir. Tejas sir, welcome. Welcome to this live video. We are super excited to have you with us.
Hello, everyone. Anchal ma'am, thank you for providing me this platform to directly reach to all the CA students. Thank you so much.
No, thank you, sir. And sir, सबसे पहले तो I must say that ये जो subject है, ये एक underdog subject है, right? We both agree to this. कि this has huge potential, but often does not get the credit that it deserves, right? So how to deal with this underdog subject and use it in this attempt to our advantage?
See, I can tell you, the biggest fight for teachers of strategic management is not teaching the subject, but let the students know that this is one of the most practical thing and they are supposed to learn it for managing any business in future. Believe me, Achal ma'am, शायद इनकम टैक्स सिखाने की डिफिकल्टी होती है, बट शुरू में मेरे सब्जेक्ट में आई नीड टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस सब्जेक्ट इज इंटरेस्टिंग, प्लीज लर्न. So this attitude, see the word underdog is seriously correct. The reason being is what the attitude of students is something like this is not the subject for chartered accountancy. And believe me, I always tell them in classroom also, in live sessions also, that life is beyond calculators. Believe me, they don't understand this, but the moment they are in exams, they see the paper and they remember everything. They remember everything. They recollect every dialogue of a teacher. Because, see, I always tell them, strategic management is not your CA inter's portion, but it is the portion of your life. Because you know income tax, you know costing.
Sorry, sir, please continue.
मतलब क्या simple, you know income tax, you know accounts, you know costing, FM, but then when it comes to business, everything needs to be managed together, and an institute is providing extraordinary, awesome, I say what, क्या base for you all to become a entrepreneur. थोड़ा बहुत मुझे लगता है कि ये अपने देश की सोच भी है कि बच्चा सीए बन के क्या करेगा, नौकरी करेगा. तो बिजनेस वाली सोच आती नहीं ना. तो जब तक बिजनेस वाली सोच नहीं आती, बच्चे ऑलवेज नौकरी वाली थिंकिंग करने वाले. दे विल ऑलवेज व्हाट थिंक अबाउट व्हाट, क्या नौकरी वाली है, बस मुझे तो जॉब करना है ना, बिजनेस क्या करना है. बट दे फॉरगेट टू क्या, दे फॉरगेट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. सीए बनने के बाद अगर खुद की प्रैक्टिस करनी है तो स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट इज इनएविटेबल. एंड सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, कोई बच्चे ऐसे क्लास में बोलते हैं मुझे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करनी, मुझे सिर्फ जॉब करना है, आई एम वेरी क्लियर इन माय माइंड. तो मैं उनको कहता हूं, बच्चा अगर सीए बनने के बाद नौकरी भी करनी है ना, तो किसी दूसरे का बिजनेस संभालना है. एंड इसीलिए स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट चाहिए. बट बिलीव मी, स्टूडेंट्स डोंट टेक इट वेरी सीरियसली. एंड इन द सेकंड ग्रुप देयर आर टू risky papers. One is auditing and second is ITSM.
Absolutely.
So it is I feel overall the attitude of kids needs to be changed, but eventually I will say eventually there are students and their attitude towards this paper is changing because they say sir मुझे business करना है और please ये subject मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से सीखना है. And I love when student comes up with these kind of statements.
Right.
So if any of the students sincerely studying this particular subject, believe my words, they can score at least 42 to 45 marks individually.
Wow.
Of course, it has to be individually. But then what that they need to understand and try give equal importance to every subject of CA Inter. That is what is the most important part. Because see, every professional exams, they have strategic management. You think about CFA, they have strategic management. You think about CMA, they have strategic management. You think about company secretary, they have strategic management. You think about our chartered accountancy, we have what? Strategic management. And they need to understand this, that institute is having a separate perspective with regards to adding this subject in the syllabus. क्योंकि जैसे ही बच्चा इंटर पास होता है ना, they go for article share, and in article share, if they have clear fundamentals of management, they can learn better concepts. And believe me, when they become chartered, they have a different vision in mind. So
absolutely. So sir, अभी जो आपने कहा उससे मुझे ये समझ आ रहा है that strategic management definitely is very, very useful if you look at CA as a profession in a holistic manner, right? But I know कि हमारे जो students हैं वो ज़्यादा करके बस exam point of view से सोचते हैं. And now more than ever, because अभी तो exams की date भी announce हो गई है, right? So I just want to spend a few minutes to ask you this. कि आईटी और एसएम, लोग आईटी पे ज्यादा इसलिए फोकस करते हैं क्योंकि भाई उसके टर्म्स से हम कंफर्टेबल नहीं है. सो आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी स्पेंड जस्ट गेटिंग कंफर्टेबल विद द टर्मिनोलॉजी. स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट में वो दिक्कत नहीं आती है. एंड इवन ऑडिट में आई थिंक द टर्म्स आर आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू गेट सो कंफर्टेबल दैट यू स्टार्ट निग्लेक्टिंग इट, which is why these problems come in these kind of theory subjects.
Correct.
Law में वो problem नहीं आती sir, because I think even in law you are thinking and you're discussing कि अच्छा इसका meaning क्या है, analyze करना पड़ता है. But I think strategic management इसलिए थोड़ा सा ignore हो जाता है. But correct, because we are familiar with this subject, with the language of this subject, how do you think we can use it to our advantage in the exams? To score marks, to secure exemption probably in the subject ITSM?
See, very specific question, but let me start with, see, in nowadays, in education as a industry, when people say, they came up with a concept of a quick revision or fast track courses. Believe me, if you want to finish management in fast track, your 6 month will run over fast. Let me be very honest. Can I simply, for all the students listening and will be listening in the future, but then understand one thing: studying strategic management is not easy from students' mindset point of view. Simple. People have scored more than 83 marks in ITSM. I have so many examples of my students equally scoring well in IT, equally scoring well in what SM. But one need to understand, when I want to study strategic management, it has to be in the phased manner. That means there are, from my point of view, there are three phases of studying strategic management. Module is one of the finest quality oriented study material available. Institute ने बहुत ज़्यादा research करके module बनाई है. There are certain things which are what slightly more than extra elaborated, but believe me, it helps a lot to clear the concept thoroughly well. So, तीन phase में क्या subject पढ़ना है? When I'm reading for the first time, and when I see students how they read, they are in competition with their fellow friends. इसका 5 दिन में हो गया तो मेरा भी 4 दिन में होना ही चाहिए. And the पूरा subject गयो, पूरा subject जाता है. I always tell them in the classroom, Gaya, yeah, Gaya. See, they try and read 50 pages in a day. How that is possible? Even management consultant can't read management subjects 50 pages. But our CS students are what? Extraordinarily resourceful, I feel. They are so energetic. And at the end of the 50 pages, when you ask them, Kitna samjha? Abba dabba jabba. They sincerely say this, sir, मैंने पढ़ लिया. सब कुछ सेम लगता है.
Actually, that's really the problem. You know, I can go back to my CA days. I can really go back to my CA days when I was studying this subject of strategic management. When I was studying, हमने भी जब पहली बार मॉड्यूल उठाया, जब तक हमें गाइडेंस नहीं मिला कि इस सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ना कैसे है, आई थिंक हमारे भी सबको सब कुछ सेम लगता था. And then, you know, once we started getting guidance कि इस सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ना कैसे है, that is when we realized कि, you know, that is when we started opening up economic times कि भाई आप economic times पढ़ो. बैलेंस शीट क्या होता है वो अकाउंट्स में नहीं, SM में ज्यादा समझ में आया.
SM में समझ में आया.
Actually, that's the case.
So, those who don't study this subject in detail, believe me, they miss out the minute differences. And those minute differences will make you sincerely score awesome. Means, बच्चे क्या करते हैं? What they do, sincerely, if they take me very positively, they read it and they forget it. At the end of the day, what? सब कुछ same है. Exam में जाके कुछ भी लिखेंगे तो score कर लेंगे. Kids, I sincerely want to tell them, this is not your 12th standards organization of commerce subject. It is way beyond it. You need to grasp, you need to understand thoroughly every topic when you read it for the first time. और जब भी first phase में पढ़ने बैठते हैं ना, तो I would like everyone to understand, start making notes. Notes means what? You don't copy everything there is in the module. We are not copying module, right? To read it again. You need to make notes for every paragraph in a shorter version. In a shorter what? Version. And don't read more than 5 pages of the module or whatever notes you are following for the first time when you are reading what SM. 5 pages means what? 10 sides. And what? This is, I'm teaching this subject, but you cannot read SM whole day. So have combination of what? 2 subjects. Whatever you feel good and SM. And what? Give 3 to 4 hours every day. That is your first phase along with the notes. So after finishing reading this thing, your first phase over, now you have notes in a shorter form and what you have module, awesome. When you start reading this thing for the second time, this subject for the second time, you read notes first and then go to the module. That means you will be digging deeper into the concept of strategic management. And when third phase came, what is third phase? You need to start writing, because the biggest issue is how to write this paper. I would like to recommend every student that you should go for test series. Appear for test series, write your strategic management paper, or if you don't want to go for test series, take the suggested answers, take the past papers, read it understand it, write in your own words, and see the thing where you are lacking. That's the most important part. This is very practical, very, very practical. And in exams, let me tell you, in exams, students always fall short of time finishing the paper because they feel it lengthy. So it is sincerely difficult. So as regards to your question, how to study, so it's a three-phase study pattern. It's a three-phase study pattern. Before the day of exam, if you ask me, right? Sir, एक दिन पहले कैसे पढ़े? So sincerely, it is very difficult to read 200 and odd pages, that too in the pressure of what? Our exams, that too IT alongside. So what notes and mind maps you have created, that will come to your rescue. That'll come to your rescue. See, for studying, you need to prepare the strategy of studying. आजकल में बच्चे क्या करते हैं पता है? बच्चे, they make strategy, but they actually forget how to execute the strategy. So वो प्लान होता है ना, वो प्लान ही रहता है फिर. हाँ, वो पेपर पे प्लान एकदम यो, लेकिन एग्जीक्यूट तो यो. And then at the end of the day, they feel what? कि ये सब्जेक्ट में मार्क्स नहीं आते. मैं फिर से कहता हूँ, if you study very well, you score 42 to 45 marks out of 50. Out of 50. और स्टूडेंट्स ने 80 above definitely स्कोर किया है इतने सालों में. So study in a phased manner, I feel personally, and have a habit of writing notes, please. हाँ, और एक चीज कहूँ तो, जब आप पहली बार ये सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हैं ना बच्चे लोग, मॉड्यूल में बहुत सारे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स है, एंड दीज आर योर की वर्ड्स. You do not need to write the same language of module. That is technically impossible. So if you think I'll mug up everything and I will go and write everything in exams, believe me, that is not possible. And even our institute never wants these kind of things. हमें चतुर नहीं चाहिए. वो 3 Idiot वाले चतुर है ना, मशीन की डेफिनेशन क्या है? And then he comes up with the whole thing. No, we don't want these kind of people. We want people from institute point of view that what? You have understood the concept. And what now you can write in your own words in exams along with those keywords, and you can score awesome. Seriously.
राइट सर. अभी मेरे दिमाग में एक और क्वेश्चन ये आ रहा है कि नाउ दैट द एग्जाम्स आर सो नियर, ओके, सो there would be many students that have already read the subject once, so they've also tried writing the subject once, but still are not feeling confident. Still, you know, there is a little bit of anxiety. वो तो I think exam खत्म होने के बाद, result आने के बाद तक anxiety रहती है, right?
Yes.
So that is always going to be there. But what are your top 3 mantras, if I have to ask, कि अगर किसी को SMIT crack करना है from the SM point of view, okay, what are the top 3 mantras that you would suggest कि अब ये जो 1 महीना बाकी है एग्जाम्स को, ठीक है, उसमें ये करना ही करना है या ये कर ही सकते हो, assuming that the person has created those notes?
See, if someone has studied SM once or twice, I assume, and he has got notes with regards to the subject, तो दो चीजें होती है. कोई कॉन्सेप्ट थॉरली समझ में आए, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. बट कोई कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो या तो नहीं समझ में आए हैं या तो कम समझ में आए. ना सिट डाउन विद द पेपर, विद द मॉड्यूल, विद द नोट्स, फोकस ऑन दोज पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स जो डिफिकल्ट है हमारे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, इंस्टीट्यूट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं, जो हमारे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डिफिकल्ट है, एंड स्टार्ट स्टडिंग दैट थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. Again and what? Again. This is revision based subject. More you revise, more awesome you will write, and extraordinary you will score. So I feel they need to divide the whole thing into what? 1 or 2 particular ways. Yes, ये topics मुझे पता है, I can write onto it. And ये topics ऐसे हैं जो मुझे नहीं समझ में आते या तो कम समझ में आते हैं. And what? Take those war bases in the hand and then start revising, reading more. I always say in the classroom, repetition is a key to success. But repetition, bachelog, I'm not talking about repeating the attempts, please. I'm talking about what? Repeating the subject. Repeating the subject. I know one of the person, he's a phenomenal chartered accountant, extraordinary person, and he has got rank all 3 levels.
Oh,
all three levels. I asked them how exactly rank all three levels. तो मुझे कहता है sir, I cannot read one subject consistently, so I keep on reading it. So मैंने कहा इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? बोला नहीं sir, I have read that subject for more than 22 times.
wow.
22 times. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं जो मुझे नहीं आता है. Now I know everything because what he says, sir, knowledge है ना, मुझे इंस्टॉलमेंट में आता है. पहली बार पढ़ा तब 10% समझा था. दूसरी तीसरी बार शायद 50% समझा. Then what, ज्यादा बढ़ते गया and that fellow scored awesome. So divide the whole particular concepts paper क्या topics into two parts. ये मुझे पता है, I'm confident. ये मुझे पता नहीं है, ठीक है. And what, focus on जो पता नहीं. And daily तीन चार topic पढ़ते जाओ. Student, definitely you will score extraordinary with this particular subject, surely.
Right. What I'm also hearing is, and I think I would just like to add students यहाँ पे strategic management के लिए, and तेजस सर ने कहा भी कि do writing practice. तो देखो ये दोनों points को try to link, okay? If you feel that you have done 2-3 times पढ़ लिया है, notes लिख लिया है, so get on, test yourself, okay? Test yourself कि knowledge कहाँ पे है, so that you are able to pinpoint, okay? अभी आज कोई आके randomly पूछेगा कि भाई कहाँ difficulty है, तो पता नहीं, पूरा
पता ही नहीं.
सब्जेक्ट या तो कंफर्टेबल है या तो पूरा सब्जेक्ट डिफिकल्ट है. You don't know where exactly you are because you don't test yourself, so you are not able to identify what are your strong points and what are your weak points within the subject. So I would recommend test yourself so that you are able to identify कहाँ invest time करने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, okay? And then what Tejas sir is saying कि focused studies करो. जब टेस्ट सीरीज लिखोगे या फिर टेस्ट सीरीज नहीं भी तो इंस्टीट्यूट का प्रीवियस मॉक पेपर्स ले लो या प्रीवियस अटेम्प्ट के पेपर्स ले लो और वो लिख लो और सजेस्टेड आंसर से यू कैन चेक योरसेल्फ. व्हेन यू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज यू विल रियलाइज कि ओके, out of 50 marks of SM, my probably 40, there are 100 concepts, 40-45 concepts are okay, but there is a balance 50% of concepts that I need to work upon. So मैं मेरा time invest कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ SM में, so I can balance that accordingly. नहीं तो we tend to start from first chapter to last chapter and we dedicate equal amount of time to everything without realizing कि भाई जरूरत है या नहीं.
Yes.
Especially in times like this when time is less towards your exam, it's very important that you're doing this focused study. हम trend analysis ये वो सब कर लेते हैं लेकिन focus analysis करते ही नहीं है कि focus कहाँ करना है. Right?
I want to tell you one more thing. Can I through your platform let the whole student fraternity understand this? One girl, she messaged me, sir, ये 3 दिन पहले की बात है, before 3 days. It was on Instagram. Sir, I have studied IT till date and not started SM at all. Wow. Can you give me importance? So I didn't reply. What am I supposed to reply, right? As a teacher of SM, when you say before 1 month of exam, you have not studied anything. So I didn't reply. So then students have that tendency of sending question marks. So that girl forwarded 2-3 question marks. So then I thought I need to reply something. Sir, anything important, please let me know. And I forwarded her index of what strategic man. Then she again came up. Sir, ye kya hai? What is this? Sir, anything important? Beta, everything is important. How come anything? See, students tend to read less and ignore the most qualitative, that is module. Sir, ये classes का note सिर्फ 40 पेज का है. पेपर 50 मार्क का है, 40 पेज में कैसे स्कोर करेगा? But then what, they don't understand all these things. So don't come into this trap of what 40 pages, 50 pages, 60 pages. Read less and score more. That is not possible in our chartered accountancy. Don't cheat yourself. I believe
कि it is possible when you make your own notes. कि भाई मतलब 2000 पेजेस का बुक है, उसको जब आप 200 या 20 पेज में कन्वर्ट करते हो तो you do it because you have understood the entire chapter and entire concept which you can now summarize. Now you are reading summarized, which is already half of the concepts. तो पेपर में तो उसका भी समरी लिख के आओगे. That is something that people don't understand, I guess.
I always, if I tell you this, I always ask this question in the classroom. I always say, "Bacha log, what do you mean by revision?" So student come up with the casual answer, "Sir, reading again." So then I tell them, reading again means rereading, right? It's not revision. Then finally they get confused and say, "Sir, आप बताओ." So मैं कहता हूँ, earlier vision. That means when I'm reading anything, any subject for the first time, I should try and create the vision of understanding back of my mind. And when I reread the same subject, then you should revise the earlier vision of understanding. That will make your subject damn strong, rock solid, right? But then what if I try and finish the subject first? That's the reason I said phase the learning. The way we study income tax, the provisos, the provisions, the sections we remember, we try and ratify, the efforts you put in, because what it is required. The same way we need to pass out what other subjects also. So have phased reading, have planned reading. That's the most important. And जिन्होंने notes बनाए ना, that means they have grasped the whole thing and now they have the notes. So they know the basics behind what notes. So they can write better because what? It's a phased way of what learning. That's right.
Right, absolutely. Sir, one last question. Okay,
Please.
ITSM का paper generally बहुत anxiety देता है students को, because they hear it from their seniors, and also for those people who have given multiple attempts. I have seen, and it's the experience of many CA students की IPCC सॉरी इंटर में लटकते हैं, वो है इसी सब्जेक्ट के वजह से ITSM. In my case, I was very fortunate that Group 2 inter first attempt, Group 2 CA final first attempt. But
Wow.
I have seen so many of my colleagues, and there are so many students who struggle because of this subject, right?
Okay.
So एक ऐसा tip for our people who have gone multiple attempts in this subject and who are really confused कि मैं कहाँ गलत जा रहा हूँ या कहाँ गलत जा रही हूँ. कुछ ऐसा आप शेयर कर सको. I know it depends from person to person, but just something for those people who probably are making the same mistakes based on your experience. What are the mistakes that students do and they should avoid this time?
See, the first mistake what I generally feel is they just read the subject, they don't understand it. Second mistake is they feel I know everything, I'll go to exams and I can write anything and I can score. You need to have that writing practice, the writing ability, the correct keywords, explaining or क्या expressing the subject, right? So अगर बच्चा सही तरीके से इंस्टॉलमेंट में ढंग से एक एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करे, then believe me, this subject is rather scoring. So लास्ट मोमेंट पे अगर आपको पढ़ना है, कल एग्जाम है, ITSM, क्या करूं? So जो नोट्स मेरे पास मेरे बने हुए हैं, जो माइंड मैप्स मैंने क्रिएट किए हैं, I should go through those mind maps क्या consistently well. Again I am saying, एग्जाम के दिन पे IT पे थोड़ा ज्यादा फोकस होना चाहिए, because it is something new. We need to write the same language in IT. In SM you can write what things in your own way with those keywords. So I think बच्चों को एक चीज मैं कहता हूं, one thing sincerely, even if you read one page, that's okay. But after reading and understanding that one page, you will be in a position to answer any question with regards to that particular topic institute is asking. Have that confidence and you will rock in exams. Seriously.
Right. Thank you so much, Tejas sir, for really helping all our CA students and everyone. All the very best for your upcoming exams. Stay tuned. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we are going to come up with many more live sessions like this, which will help you to crack your CA exams. Until next time, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. Whatever are your queries, questions on the subject, even beyond that, anything related to your CA studies, drop in the comments below and we will do a live session on it, help you, invite you to get your queries solved. Thank you so much, Tejas sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.